In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove someone from Cash App family account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, the Cash App family account will be established when you want to share the cash card with someone who is under 18 and they aren't able to have a full account on their own. So you do the family account and now you will be able to do transactions together using this shared family account. You, as the owner of the account, can manage it, disable the card, enable it, and so on. However, what about removing someone from your Cash Family account? Maybe because they turned 18 or because you don't want them included in that specific family account anymore. Well, sadly, Cash App does not have a feature to remove individual members from a family cash card. However, you can do this in one of two ways. You can either disable the card like I mentioned, and essentially this will make it so the account is just inactive and won't have much function. So if you would like to, just go ahead and disable the card and there won't be anything that they can do with the card as long as it has been properly disabled. Or alternatively, the best course of action is to talk to the support. In the event where you just want to remove someone for any reason, or if they turned 18, you can go over to the Cash App customer support and talk to them there. By specifying that you would like to remove someone from your Cash App family account, they will ask for the reason, and as long as you give it to them, they will be able to do the process on their end. By doing this, the person will be successfully removed, and you will be able to resume using the Cash App account as you would with them properly removed from the family account. If the person turned 18, they will find the option to verify their account using documents such as their social security number and other information, and then they will be able to have their very own account, essentially removing them from the family account that you had previously. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove someone from your Cash App family account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.